Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fidelity NetBenefits app. First, download the app from your device's app store, whether it's Apple or Android. Once installed, open it and securely log in using your existing Fidelity username and password. This grants you immediate access to your retirement and investment accounts, allowing you to view your balances and track your progress right from your phone. With the NetBenefits app, managing your investments is straightforward. You can easily view your current account balances and monitor the performance of your various investments. The app also allows you to make changes, such as adjusting your contribution amounts or rebalancing your investment allocations. Plus, you can conveniently access important documents like statements and tax forms, all within a few taps. Beyond basic management, the NetBenefits app offers powerful tools. You can use the planning features to project your retirement savings and see if you are on track. Setting up alerts is simple, notifying you of important account activities or changes. If you ever need assistance, the app provides easy ways to connect with Fidelity representatives for personalized support and guidance. Security is paramount, and the NetBenefits app offers features like biometric login for quick and secure access. Always take a moment to review your personal information and ensure your contact details are up to date. This helps maintain the integrity of your account. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.